So, hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So we're leaving Grinnell Street and we're going over to Fernwood Avenue in Dallas. I do hope that you will enjoy the video. Alright, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more as we get to know a little bit more about Dallas and the Fort Worth area. Alright, the temperature is now 101 degrees, so AC turn up now. East Overton Road. Alright. I'm gonna turn onto East Boulevard. This car parking on the road. Only in Dallas. So, look at them exit building. We're crossing over at East McVeigh Avenue. I do hope that you enjoy the little video here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Oh, this is a nice little spot. I'm gonna park my car right here. Yeah, it's not too hot. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more and turn that notification bell on. Until then,